Have you been seeing it lately? On your phone? On your clock? On a random receipt? 1111 is not a coincidence. It is a cosmic tap on the shoulder, a direct signal from the universe that the veil is thinning. Tonight, I will decode the frequency of 1111 and show you how to walk through the portal it is opening for you right now. In the language of light, 1111 represents alignment. It is the bridge between the physical world and the infinite realm of spirit. When you see these numbers, your thoughts are manifesting at lightning speed. The universe is taking a snapshot of your mind and turning it into your reality. It is the ultimate go signal for your soul's mission. Think of 1111 as a high-speed elevator to your highest potential. At this exact moment, the resistance is low and the support from your guides is at its peak. If you are seeing this code, you are being asked to release your fears and focus only on what you desire to create, not what you fear will happen. The next time you see 1111, stop. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes and make a conscious intention. Don't just wish for it. Feel it as if it is already done. Acknowledge the presence of your angels and say thank you for the guidance. This simple act locks the frequency into your timeline. You are being called to awaken to the master creator within you. The portal is open. Will you step through? I am Astra, your guide to the unseen. Comment 111 if you are ready to manifest, and subscribe to the portal as we continue our journey into the mystery of numbers.